Look at the van.
Okay, let's go from right here. Wait, that's a van Honda? What is that thing called? I've never seen a van Honda. A Honda that's a van Honda. This makes no sense. Oh, it has nice rims. Okay, yeah, but I would not want that car. Wait, is that a hood? It has a hood. Oh, they try to make it look real cool. Okay, let's look at this car. Oh, this car is not that bad. It's kind of nice. I like it. Cool.
I'm taking pictures of my Honda already.
Look, they're taking pictures of my dad's car. They already like it. They're gonna be like, no, he's leaving. Oh, this one looks nice. Oh, this one's nice. Oh wait, we gotta show them this red car. This red car's dope. Oh. Oh, I need to see that hood. Gotta see the hood. I'm in love with hoods. Yeah, this is good. It's the same color as your shirt. Wait, what kind of paint color is that car? The brownish car.
Which one? Well, we're gonna come back that way. We'll come back that way.
Oh, these ones have their hoods open. Wait, that's like your car. That's like your car.
Yeah, but that's 4 door. Mine's is 2.
Oh, that's a 4-door.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice purple tires. And in here too. Oh man, it's getting dope. It's getting dope. Getting real, real dope. Man, it's so peaceful. Man, look at this guy's engine. Look at this one's engine.
Wow.
How do people hook up these cars? It's gold inside. They paint inside the engine. Or is it just black inside?
Yeah, that's nice. Look at this one, really nice.
I like the blue one. Out of all of them so far, I like this blue one. Got that nice.
Those stickers, we can take a sticker?
My car.
Engine.
I guess you can pick one.
Yeah. Yeah, for real.
Oh, you just take one? Oh, let's go put it on the car.
For real.
You said you wanted to stick up the car. Well, you got more stickers.
Yeah, these. Man, I came all the way from Homestead, man. I was like, damn, man, see what's out here.
I got the circle on. I got the circle on.
I don't got nothing.
Somebody put one on my back glass. I'm okay with that. I'm like,
Which one's good?
This one, right?
The wagon, yeah. No, I do the wagon. You don't see this down in Homestead, man.
yeah.
Okay, let's go around now. Man, it's getting cold out here.
It's getting cold.
Yeah, I get cold easily. Okay.
It ain't
Oh,
that cold.
AFM. What does that stand for? Accord Florida Meeting.
Yeah.
Oh, we're not part of the meeting. I don't think so.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, we are? Look, this is like my dad's car. Oh, it's a 4-door. It has more doors.
Yeah, that's a 2-door.
Yours is a 2-door. Wow, these cars aren't that bad. They're actually pretty. Oh, wait, can we see this black car?
Go around. Walk it around.
Oh, okay.
Just walk it around and see.
Man, these cars already look dope. Wait, why is the like golden bike on top of the red car? Oh, mud.
Don't walk in the mud.
I didn't see it. Oh, man. Look at your car. Man, people like your car. This is the car I was talking about. What kind of color is that?
That's like, I don't know.
It's like pink in the back, brown in the front. So what color is it?
What's up, bro? Man, it's submission, dog.
That's what I'm debating on, man. Yo, Mount Brian, man. Well, I'm like in a struggle right now. Like, first of all, I'm trying to find actually manufacture fog lights in the cars. Wow.
Yeah, for those submission, they're gonna pay.
Arm in the leg?
Yeah.
It's ridiculous, bro.
really what I had to do.
2002 or?
Those were the 05 to 06.
GT. Oh, this is a nice GT. My uncle Josh really doesn't like GTs because he says they like spin out too much. He might be right though. But that's his opinion. Oh look, that's like a nice car right there, that black one.
Like plastic in the
Ooh, it's cold out here.
It took me a good like 2 days, man, because I
Look,
even
my
gonna
dad
lie, I got
wants
kinda
stickers,
frustrated.
and then look how much stickers he has in the back. He already got a bunch.
Like right behind me.
He didn't even pay for them. He just earns them. Like this is his trophy car. And this is not our only car. Right inside of here. It's good. Oh. There, let me try to zoom in. Yeah, that black one right there with the yellow lights is good.
No, J30.
Man, oh no, that blue car is leaving. Let me try to get that one. Okay, that blue car is leaving. Crap, I'm gonna get ran over. Ooh, this is a nice hood. It's a cord.
thing, bro. I was in
Oh my God.
they gave me a phone.
Oh. Zoom out now, so then you won't see Abel. Let's look at these cars. So we got the GT I showed you. So let's look at this Honda. Yeah, this is a nice Honda. Now we got an Accord right here. Oh, look at those blue rims. We're gonna get there later, but look at those blue rims. This is also like my dad's car in black. Man, these are lots of nice cars. Okay, there's my dad. Okay, now we're gonna go see that car I was talking about. This is the car.
I like to keep, I always like to keep them. I was in high school, and I always wanted to
That's a nice car.
I love it. You got some nice chunky tires. The thing with me, man, I feel the whole road.
That's your car? Oh, that's a nice car. I like that one.
Everything on the road.
But the only reason I got chunky tires is I took these out of. I had these on these wheels on the other course. We bought those tires. And as soon as I had my other rims that I made like a trade process with stocks and all that, and I ended up with nothing. So I ended up buying it. So,
Oh, look, that one has a Santa bumper.
as soon as those tires wears
Oh,
out,
that has a Santa bumper. A Santa bumper. Wow. Oh, this is the front of that purple
The
car.
other side that I had to issue. The other side, I had to cut. I had to get
Look at the Santa car. That looks dope.
I had to cut like.
There's a Santa painted car.
I thought I was doing it wrong.
Oh, crap, my
I thought I
foot.
was doing it wrong, but I had another homeboy that did it too, and he was like, "Bro, you just got cut like crazy." You know, I wasn't really thinking.
Wow. Yeah. Let me try to see if I can zoom
I'm on
into it.
19s.
So that's, yeah, you can see a little bit of the Santa.
That's like the thing is like going. The thing is I lifted up the front of them. And scraped and everything.
oh, I stayed like the plastic.
Oh yeah. Mine was down when I had the
But
back
you see,
on.
if you see, it's like there's pieces there, like.
You still got a little bit in
Oh,
it.
what happened?
You got
Oh. Oh, it's
You
nice
got the
in
wood
there.
grain though. I always wanted that wood grain center.
Oh, under a staple.
So are we the only two cool guys?
They got the.
Look, the Santa car that I was laughing with the bike.
I'm telling you, I wouldn't get rid of that.
It has
Like, I got
everything.
that.
Wait, it has Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. The Rudolph the Red-Nosed
They
Reindeer.
say, bro, you just tell your high school car. I never. Why?
Yeah, all my friends, they all like. They all these cars, and you know, I'm like, you guys, sorry. I'm like, you guys paying money every month for your car, like, you don't gotta pay nothing.
On the original motor?
Right,
Man, there's so much hoods. I gotta see that blue car. The blue rims. This is the blue car. can't get to the front yet. Oh, and here's another blue car. Show you guys. Man, this is actually pretty cool. This is cool.
One, the big
Let's
one,
see.
the other side.
Oh wait, I didn't see this.